Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and NFT digital art. NFTs have been making headlines in recent years, with some selling for millions of dollars. But what are NFTs, and how do they relate to digital art? Let's find out. What is an NFT? An NFT is a unique digital asset that is stored on a blockchain network. Unlike other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and interchangeable, NFTs are non-fungible, meaning each one is unique and has its own distinct value. NFTs are created using smart contracts, which allow for secure and transparent transactions on the blockchain network. What is NFT digital art? NFT digital art is a type of digital artwork that is created and sold as an NFT. It can take many forms, such as a 3D sculpture, a video, an animation, a GIF, a photograph, a digital painting, or any other type of digital media. NFT digital art is unique and original, and it's stored on a blockchain network, providing proof of ownership and authenticity to the buyer. How do NFTs and NFT digital art work? When an artist creates an NFT digital art piece, they mint it on a blockchain network, such as Ethereum. Once the NFT is minted, it becomes a one-of-a-kind digital asset that can be bought and sold on various online marketplaces, such as OpenSea or Nifty Gateway. The buyer of the NFT owns the original digital asset, and they can choose to keep it, sell it, or trade it like any other physical asset. Why are NFTs and NFT digital art so valuable? NFTs and NFT digital art have become valuable because they offer a way for creators to monetize their digital creations and provide collectors a way to own a one-of-a-kind piece of art or other digital media. The value of an NFT can be influenced by factors such as the artist's reputation, the uniqueness and rarity of the artwork, and the demand for the piece. Some NFTs have sold for millions of dollars at auction, making them a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A brief introduction to NFTs and NFT digital art. While they may still be a relatively new concept, NFTs are already making a big impact in the art and entertainment world, and they're sure to be around for many years to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.